Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with some winnings and just want to say thank you as well. And then we'll get into my haul video. So, quite a few weeks ago, I won a few things from a few ladies, and I'm just now getting back on. I had gotten sick, so I'm just now getting back on to share what I won. All right, so let's just jump right in. So this one was from Scrap Passion Designs. And then there goes her channels if you would like to visit. Let me see if I can focus. Focus. Okay, so anyways, this adorable memory dex card came from Betty Scrap Passion 01. And when I say it is too cute and layered up, I mean, wherever you look, there's something different. Absolutely adorable. Adorable. Like she has a heart back here, and I can't really tell what that is there. There's a heart here that says love, and then her theme is baking. Look at that. She put a little frame there with apple, 5 cent. Those little, I want to say they might be Nouveau drops or either, I forgot the other one, what it's called, but oh my gosh. And then she put, I don't know, maybe some diamond stickles or something on there. I don't know what that is there, but oh my gosh, on the spoon, look at that. Leaf layered up, the little apple there. Look at this little bundle of apples here. A little baking pan there. Look at that. It's just layered up so nicely. Absolutely gorgeous. And when I say it is thick, I mean, look at that. Look at the thickness on that. It is just so cute. Absolutely cute. So if you have the chance, make sure you click on Betty's channel. She and Marquisa has a few things going on their channel where they have Die Cut Wednesday, and I forgot what the name of this one is that I won this one off of. It might be a memory dex challenge. And of course, you can enter into those challenges if you just go over. And I'll have each one of these ladies' channels linked down below. So this came from Betty, Scrap Passion 01. Thank you so much, Betty. I really appreciate it. Love your work. And then the next one is from Jamie, which is Poet Spice. I went off her channel, and she says thank you for supporting her channel there. And then these are the items I won from her channel. So we have this Crafter's Companion, I'm Smiling Because, and then it has a few little things that you can put on there. I love stamps, so this will come in handy. And then here goes another set. And this is from Sarah Davies, or by Sarah Davies, rather. And then she also sent me this die here. Love it. Looks really cute. So we'll get some use out of that. And then she also sent this one here. And then, of course, Jamie has a bunch of challenges going on. She is the challenge queen. So I'll have her channel linked down below. And then if you have the time, make sure you head over there. And then this one came from Decorate Your Life. And that's Sandy. And let's just jump right into this. So I won some of these dies here. And I'm not for sure which die it is. It might be like a small die of the month or a large die of the month. I'm not for sure. But I literally have to go over and check this out and see what this was. So, but I really, really appreciate this. So I'm really excited about these. And then there goes one. I want to say this might fit a 5x7 card. And so, yeah, and then she put some sequins down in there. Really, really cute. And then she sent me her collection of papers. So if you don't know, Sandy makes her own paper collection. And she sent me several paper collections, and I have not looked at these, so other than the top layer. So let's just jump right in. I don't want to hold your time up, so we're just going to get right into this here. Oh goodness, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Too cute. And then there's that one. This is perfect timing for Valentine's Day. So cute. These are adorable. And make sure you head over to Sandy's channel so that you can purchase some of these collections too. And she's always doing giveaways as well. Let's get into the next selection here. I really appreciate this candy more than you know. Isn't that pretty? Green is one of my favorite colors, and the other one is turquoise. These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know how to turn these, but these are, you know, you can cut these out. They look like they're like 4x4 maybe, or 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So that's really nice there. And this is really beautiful. You can frame this up and use it in your room or anything like that. That's beautiful there too. Got two more to show you. I'm trying to keep track of my time because I might do the haul video separate from these. All right, next. Looks like this one might be nautical, and I love nautical things. So let's just jump right in. Isn't that pretty? Colors are really vibrant. Look at that. So pretty. These mermaids. Really, really pretty. And then she sent me some of all the little smaller ones there too. Really, really cute. Okay. And then this one almost looks like it could be Christmas. Oops, I thought I had two more. Now I have two more. Love these collections. Sandy, they're so pretty. Okay, here we go. Got the reindeer there. Oh, look at this one. It's so pretty. Really, really pretty. I don't know if I have this upside down, maybe? Okay. Aren't these gorgeous? Alright. Here goes the last one of that one. Okay, and then I have this one here. All right, and this is Boho Dream. I think that's the collection. Uh-oh, pumpkins. Oh my gosh. I love, love, love this. So pretty. Those colors are so vibrant. I don't think this camera is doing it justice. There's that one. And this one. Oh, and more pumpkins up there. Those pumpkins are just too pretty. Love that. All right, and so those are my winnings that I got from each and every one of these ladies. So I'll have their links down below. Make sure you go over and subscribe to their channel, and you can even tell them Mo Creation sent you. And so I am not going to do the haul video on this one. It'll be coming up. That'll be another day. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.